guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be filming for you guys how I edit my Instagram photos, arrange my theme, and edit my photos for Instagram. All of you guys always ask, I'm going to teach you guys today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video. No, don't like this video just yet. No, like this video, but like it later after you watch the video. Just make sure you really like the video. But follow me on social media. Links down below. Is that it? Yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm on my iPhone right now and I'm just screen recording my screen. So I do have an iPhone and that's what I use to take all my photos and stuff, and I will, oh, it's dirty with lipstick. I will link this case down below if any of you guys want it. It's just like a black and white marble case. But now let's get into how I edit my photos. So anyway, so let's get into it. So the way that my feed is kind of going, I'm updating right now, so the way I'm going to make it look is black, white, with like golden-y tones. I think that's so cute. So I'm going to show you guys how I edit. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to edit the selfie first. This does have a Snapchat filter and correct color scheme. So what I am going to do now is make this exact selfie black and white. So I'm gonna make it black and white, and the filter I'm gonna use is B5 for this, and then I'm gonna you can turn it down so it'll be lighter. I don't want it too dark, so I'm gonna make it a 4.5. And then going into like the two lines with the two dots, I'm going to not touch exposure. Sometimes I do touch exposure with photos, just depending on how light or how dark they are. And I don't know why I make weird faces. Just depending on how light or how dark they are. In this case, I'm not going to touch it. But I am going to go into highlights and go up to 12. And then I don't do this to all my selfies. I'm doing it to this one just because it's black and white. It's not going to make too much of a difference. And I do it with like scenery photos, but with selfies, do not use highlight. I know so many people who do it, and to me it just adds like weird texture and uneven skin tone to your photo, and it just doesn't look that good. So do not touch it if it's a selfie. The next thing I do is I go into grain, and I'm going to go all the way to 12 with this photo. Again, it's something depending on the photo. If the photo is already a little bit grainy, I won't add as much grain. And sometimes it's just not a photo that I want to take detail, like too much, distract away from the photo too much with grain. So it's just really, again, it's very dependent. I don't keep my numbers exact. It just, however I think the photo looks best. With this one, I am going to do a +12 grain. And then I'll go into fade and add like a teeniest bit of it to this photo. Again, it's something that I don't add all the time, and I add a little bit, a lot of it, depends on the photo, and that's all I'll do for this photo. And then I'm gonna go into the scenery photo for you guys. If I can open it, open. So for every photo that I use that is night filter, I do use Hypebeast 2 at about a 6, and I think if I add too much of it, it does give it like a blue tint, which I don't want. For this photo, I'm just going to put up the exposure a little bit because I think it's a little dark. Just a teeny bit. I am going to add highlights to this, +12. And then I'm going to do some grain. Should I do +12? No, +12 is a little bit too much. I'm going to do like 9.3. And then a little bit of fade. 0.7, and that's again all I'll do for that photo. So let's save both of those to our camera roll. So save to camera roll, actual size. You always want to click actual size, and then it's obviously going to save to the camera roll. So that's what I do on VSCO, and again I do basically the same thing for every photo. Then I'll move on to the app called Airbrush, and Airbrush is basically Facetune but free, because mama don't want to pay 99 cents because I'm broke. No, but seriously, like, it works the same way. I think it's even the teeniest bit better because I don't use it to like Photoshop my face or anything. If that's the case, if that's what you're trying to do, don't condone it because you're perfect the way you are. But if that's what you want to do go with Facetune. This is more if you like whitening your photos and adding like highlights to it. This is what I'll use. So I'm going to open up this photo right here. So to add that goldeny tint to my photos, what I go to is go to skin tone, and I'll do this the darkest one, and I'll just brush that into my photo. And I know that's going to sound so weird, but it just adds, like, if you're doing it to your skin, you're going to know, like, to your face in a photo, in a selfie, you're going to notice it's going to make you tan. In this case, it makes your photos goldeny and bronze, which I love. And then I'll just bring it up all the way to 10, and as you can see, it immediately changed. I'm going to show you guys the before and the after. It definitely makes your photos goldeny. And then I just go into the whitening tool, because again, my feed doesn't have any blue to it, so I'm just going to whiten out the sky to take out that blue. And the great thing, if anything you mess up, just go with the erase and fix it up. There you go. That's all I'm going to do to this photo. So we're going to save and then go back to our library, and we're going to go into this black and white photo. So for this photo, there's not much to do. You can smooth out your skin if you want. I'm not going to do that. And I'll just go in with the whiten tool if it's not already like white enough. With like selfies, every single selfie I take, I white out the background. Every single one. It just makes you pop out more and makes the background like not as important. So I'll just like whiten out the background. And another tip I'm about to give you guys, if you want to add highlights to your hair so it has a little bit more dimension, the trick is, on every selfie I do this, is, I'm not going to do too much on this one because it's a black and white photo obviously, but you go in with that tanning tool and you add it to your hair. I'm going to show you before and after. It does add a teeny bit kind of a highlight to your hair, so I think that's really cool. And yeah, there's not much to do this photo, but again, things I'll whiten. If you're smiling, you can whiten your teeth. Something I do in all of my photos is I whiten the whites of my eyes, because it just, sometimes with filters and stuff, your eyes can become like a weird yellow color or a weird blue color. So using the white will whiten out your eyes again. What else I do? If you're wearing like a white shirt, whiten your shirt, things like that. That's basically all I do, guys. That's all I do for my photos. And again, so many people think like the way I edit my photos is so complex, and it's really not. Super duper easy. Anyone can do it. Anyone can learn to do it. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will easily answer them. What else do I have to say? I think that's it. Yeah, if you have any questions about how to edit your photos, or if you want like filter advice on like, if you want like, because obviously mine is black and white and gold, so if you have a blue theme, you want to use a different filter, or if you have the purple theme, a different filter, pink theme, different filter. So if you guys want like filter ideas, comment down below and I'll give you guys some. I hope this answered all your questions on how to edit your photos, and it helped you guys a little bit if you're a little bit lost, because I know there's so many people who are like, what do you mean? Like, what are you doing? And it's like, it's not that hard. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you guys will get a notification of it. Follow me on my social media, @over here, links down below. And what else? Like this video if you liked it, of course. Give it a huge thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.